Hello everyone and welcome to our spoken English class. In today's session, we are going to learn greetings in English. What is a greeting? It's a simple way of saying hello to someone. In the English language, there are multiple ways in which this can be done. So let's begin. There are greetings which can be used in formal situation and also greetings which are used in a more friendly, informal setting. Let's learn what formal greetings are. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good day. These formal greetings are used as a replacement for the word hello and are often used in a formal setting depending on the time of the day. Usually before 12 pm you say good morning, and after 12 pm you say good afternoon, and from around 6 pm you say good evening. You can use the term good day at any point during the morning or afternoon. How are you? This is a polite way of asking how someone is and is often used in conjunction with words like hello or good morning, good afternoon, good evening, etc. Pleased to meet you. This is a greeting which is often used when meeting someone for the first time. It is common in formal circumstances but may also be used in a less formal situation on a first meeting. Informal greetings. There are many more informal greetings in English than formal ones. Let's have a look at informal greetings. Hi. This word, which is another word for hello, is probably one of the most commonly used greetings in the English language and something you will hear very frequently. How is it going? This is an informal way to ask someone how they are and is used often in place of hello. How are you doing? Once again, this is a way of asking how someone is and is something that is commonly said in English. How are things? Or how's life? Rather than asking common questions like how are you, people tend to ask questions like these in an informal way. Long time no see! This greeting is usually used when bumping into a person whom you have not seen for a long time. Something extra. Yeah, there are many ways in which you can greet someone using the English language. Depending on whether the situation is formal or informal will depend on what sort of greeting you use. There are so many to choose from that you can truly make your greetings diverse and interesting. So let's have a look. Hi there. What's up? Good to see you. Nice to meet you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video. Do remember to subscribe.